The next one, Wüthrich International Young Star Award. So normally Wüthrich is a Swiss name. I used to call it Wüthrich, but he always corrects me. He says, the right pronunciation is Wüthrich. Wüthrich. Wüthrich International Young Star Award for outstanding scientific performance during early career stages as per FLOGEN Sustainability Framework. And who is the winner? The winner is Braian Araujo. Brazilians. This is for undergraduate. It's very important to distinguish. In the field of mining, for undergraduate studies, you have to keep in mind the distinction. Congratulations, congratulations. Stay here.
Good evening, everybody. So, I don't will lie. I want to lie. I'm very nervous to be here, but I have to say thank you all my friends. Thank you, Florio. His team support us, and the whole time since 2023. To me is a big pleasure to be here with you all every day, every year. I learned too much here. My bad. So I had to I have to say thank you for my professor RCs. Give me this opportunity to be here. Thank you, my delegation Brazilian are here. My friends Brazilian, my other friends for around of the world, and thank you, Sérgio Leite de Andrade. I'm here I'll say I'm nervous, my bad. But unfortunately, his dad left us, and he was an inspiration to me. And if I'm here, he's a little bit cause, and I have to say thank you. And I won't forget you. So thank you. Thank you, Florio. Thank you too much, guys. Thank you.
Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. Oh.